This is the adventure park in Odense. This is basically just a nice park where you have some statues of H. Andersen, as you can see behind me there, and a few statues with references to some of his fairy tales. Odense is situated in the island of Fyn, which is between Jutland and Zealand in Denmark.
Here in Odense there's a very beautiful nature, and Anna's just spotted the ugly duck from H.C. Andersen's fairy tale, and it's right there. If you can find it between the leaves. And once it's going to be a swan, it will look like this.
Huh?
Round. This is how a swan look like. Yeah, but basically this is a park, and we have the church and the statue of H.C. Andersen and a beautiful garden and a lot of people just relaxing.
So H.C. Andersen, or Hans Christian Andersen, was a Danish writer from the 1800s. He is very known for being a writer, a poet, and a traveler. Some of his most known work of arts are fairy tales such as Little Mermaid, The Tin Soldier.
The ugly duckling.
Yeah, the ugly duckling, yes. He traveled to Portugal, Spain, Italy, loads of places. And some of those trips were actually made into books that he wrote. Very worth reading as well. He was born here in Odense, and he died actually in Copenhagen and buried in Copenhagen as well.
We're not gonna reveal everything right now because we're going to visit his home later.
So next stop is his childhood home, where he grew up from the age of 2 until the age of 14 when he moved to Copenhagen. Very tiny place where they actually lived 12 people at the time. So how they managed to survive to live there, 12 people, I don't know. So at the end of the 1800s, there was a competition to create the nicest monument of Hans Christian Andersen. The competition was actually won by August Soby, but we have another one. Actually, the guy that made this one is called Louis Hasselries, and he actually was not very happy that he didn't win, so he fought and fought and fought to make this statue be a part of Odense's city. And he managed in 1888, because the people of Odense actually created kind of a fund campaign to get some money, enough money to move the statue. And it was actually first put in Copenhagen, in Kongens Have, the King's Garden. And it was later changed to the center of Copenhagen, in a little place called Korporaterplads. And first in 1949 was it placed here in Odense, to its current spot.